I'm looking good though, boy. I'm looking good. I probably should hook up my other light. See if we can get this light looking a little better. I don't like how it lower it a little bit. Go up a little bit. Is it there? Or do I need to break out the new light? Bam! The Godox ML60. We're gonna talk about this light today. It's a winner. Alright, before we get into this video, if you missed the last video, I mentioned in that video that I wanted to start working on more like production, photography, and video shots. So that's why I did that little video. So if you like it, let's take just a moment just hit that like button to help me out in the algorithm. And if you didn't like it and it's something that you see that I can work on better, or you got more ideas, just tell me in the comments. I like to hear. So let's get into it. So lighting is everything. I mean, the light source that you use is gonna make or break your video. So at the beginning of the video, I used some cheaper lights. It's like a light kit. I'm gonna put it in the description below. But it's a light kit I bought. That it was about $70, and it came with 3 little lights with 3 little soft boxes, which I like them. They work good. I mean, they pretty good for what you can get. But if you want to purchase that light kit, and this light right here that I'm about to talk about, the Godox, is a little bit out your price range, I would recommend trying that light kit. But if you do want to go with that light, you have to change out the bulbs. You have to change out the bulbs to something that's going to be dimmable. So you have to go with like one of the wireless bulbs or something like that. I went with the LifeX bulbs. I just like those, and I found them at Best Buy. They not the cheapest, but you know, they good lights and they get pretty bright. So like I said, if this light is out your price range, the Godox ML60 is out your price range for right now, and you're just starting out, I would definitely go with this light kit. It comes with 3 lights and light stands, and also like this overhead stand. It's a good bang for your buck. I think it's like $70, but I'm gonna link it in the description. So let's talk a few things that I like about this light. First of all, it is small. I mean, you don't want these big bulky lights when you're just starting off, like especially me. I have a small room here. I need something small and more compact. It's quiet, like it's on right now. A lot of these lights, like these LED point and shoot lights, they get very hot, and the fans that's in there, they kind of loud. And if you're doing videos like this in a small room, they might, you know, get caught up in the mic, in the audio or whatever. So you got to be mindful of that. But this light, you can't even hear the fan. I don't know, it's almost like silent. And another thing I like about this light is it run off of, you can either run this light off of battery, or you can use the AC power brick. I got this light mainly because I want to venture off into doing more than just videos with YouTube and everything like that. I wanted to start like doing more on photography and things like that, making a little bit of money. And if this is you doing YouTube, and you learning things about the camera, I recommend that you start doing other things with skills that you learn with your camera on YouTube. I was really thinking about this when I purchased this light, because I was like, first of all, I got a small room here and I don't have much room to plug things up all the time and unplug things, plug things up. So this light, I can just charge the batteries up and put the light wherever I needed to in this room and pack it away after I'm fitting for my video. And also, I'm gonna purchase another light. I'm probably gonna purchase the bi-color light next, just to check it out. But I wanted another light for this gig that's coming up next year. So when I get that, I'll probably do a little update on this video just to show you what the bi-color light looks like. So another thing the Godox have, Godox have a lot of, it have a different mount system and they have a lot of different soft boxes and mounts that you can put for your camera for different effects with the lights. So you can purchase those. Also, if you want to have more options other than the Godox mount, you can purchase a separate Bowen mount. It's like 25 bucks. Everything that use the Bowen mount, you can purchase that and use that with this same light. Then the best thing, it's affordable for most people. Like I said in the beginning, if this light still out your price range, you just getting started or you don't need this much light, yes, it's not really for you. But if you are looking to get better lighting for your videos, or your YouTube videos, or just photography or videos, this is a good light to use. This is a good light to start out with, at least. I mean, I know they got more expensive lights that do better, like the aperture and all that stuff like that, but this is a great, I say this is a great budget light for beginners. So let's quickly talk about what come in this bag, because there's a lot of stuff come in this little bag that you get. This is another reason I say you really need to buy this light, because you get so much bang for your buck when you purchase this light. So first, you get a handheld handle for the light. I mean, you can use this light handheld if you need to with the battery. That's what that handheld handle is for. Of course, it comes with the AC power plug. It comes with a longer power adapter that goes from the brick to the actual light, just in case you need it. It comes with two USB-A to USB-C plugs to charge your batteries. And also you got the power brick, just if you want to use constant power, plug up to the wall, it got the power brick. It comes with extra straps for more options to mount the power brick or whatever power supplies you use. Now, I forgot to mention that it comes in this bag that holds everything you need. And the bag is not cheap. It's not cheaply made. It's a very quality made bag. And also, you can control this light with a remote. So you get a remote with it also. They have two different kits that I'm going to put in the description. One kit just comes with the light, with the hood and everything like that. But if you want to purchase this other kit, I think it's like 40 bucks more, you get this soft box with it. And this soft box comes with this honeycomb option that you can put on there to, you know, direct the light where you want it to go, so it don't spread the light all over the room. So that's what this light come with. This is a phenomenal light. This is a light I think y'all need to check out if you're just starting out, because it's an affordable price and it's a very good light. But it's not for everybody. Like I said, it's not for everybody. But I started out with like LED lights, and I made lights and everything like that, made soft boxes, and by far this is the best light I had so far. It's an upgrade to me, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, made it this far, like the video, and also leave me a comment. Let me know how you liked that video at the beginning. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.